bit of drama with my apartment complex.
1 is funny, 2 is scary.
Major updates for you guys. Things are changing. Things are gonna be really different really soon, and I kind of just wanted to update you guys on what's been happening with my life. Just even the small things that have happened in the last few weeks. Something really small but worthwhile mentioning. I went to the Lady Gaga Chromatica tour, and Alicia actually surprised me for my birthday with tickets. I had no idea that she got me tickets to see Lady Gaga. First of all, insane. I thought like we were gonna be like in nosebleed seats. I did not expect her to pop off with the seats. We were so close to her. I could smell her. Like anytime there was like any flames or like anything on stage, like I could feel my eyebrow hair singeing off. It was probably the best concert I've ever been to in my life, so I'm gonna have to share. And then, of course, another mini update. So after Maribel, I went over to Remy's and we hung out with Chesco. I've been at Remy's for the last few hours and she just gifted me this. This is out of control. So Miss Remy got me this camera because she said I should delete my channel if it's not high quality. And she also got me a Monchichi. And now she's hard at work making everyone a mixed drink. We want to say to the viewers of Ollie's channel.
I have what Chesco needs to say.
Yes.
1 is funny, 2 is scary.
I have 2, that's too many. One is funny, 2 is borderline crazy.
And then, as you guys can see, Miss Remy gave me the gift of life / a new camera. She must have looked at my videos and was like, this looks like shit. And got me this really nice camera, so expect nicer quality vlogs from now on. I still haven't unboxed the camera yet because I'm kind of scared to use it, but in future videos you guys are gonna quake at the quality. All right, so for the large updates that you guys came for, and you know, this is the tea of the video, this is the drama, this is excitement. So I am potentially having a little job transition, which I will give you guys updates as soon as I have them. And then the biggest news I have is I am finally moving, and actually I'm in my new apartment literally right now. You guys will get a full empty apartment tour. That should go live, I wanna say like quickly after this video because I already filmed it. As you guys know, in my other vlogs, I've talked about it already, but I've been wanting to move and I've been having like a little bit of drama with my apartment complex, and also that area is just getting a little unsafe for me. Like if I walk to Starbucks and I might get potentially stabbed, we have a problem. I really love walking, so I really need to live in like a walkable area, and my Citizen app just every 5 minutes there was something crazy happening. Time to see maybe a new area or maybe a new area of Los Angeles. Also, my old apartment was super dark and gloomy. Anytime I tried to film anything, it was super gray. I had to like film like certain hours. And then also my apartment faced into someone else's apartment, and that person would literally watch me vlog. They would literally watch me be like a crazy person in my apartment, and it was just so uncomfortable when I noticed that they were watching me. I would always have the blinds drawn, but that would also make my apartment super dark. So I was still ideally looking in downtown Los Angeles. So a 1-bedroom will run you about $2,500 to $3,500 in like a more modern building. For my budget, I was looking for a little closer to like $2,600, $2,700. Some of the things that I was specifically looking for is like a safe walkable area, close grocery stores, and kind of cute cafes nearby, and restaurants would be nice. Or I looked into grocery stores nearby, and I kind of was like looking around and seeing like what apartments were nearby and kind of like what was central to the area. And then some tips for you guys looking for a new apartment: just make sure that you're using like reputable websites. Like I recommend like Hotpads or like apartment.com. Sometimes you can just drive around in a neighborhood and kind of see like signs like for rent and stuff, and that's when you'll find like the hidden gems if you're not looking in like like more of like a city area. Looking for apartments in Los Angeles is like crazy. People will snatch up an apartment in like 5 seconds. And even with my last apartment, I had to like sign my lease before I even saw it because they were just going so fast. I started touring places in this specific area, and you know how awkward it is when you're trying to vlog and like they're just kind of like standing there like this, breathing and staring at you. I could not bring myself to like vlog like,
hey guys, like, this apartment I'm looking at, like,
I couldn't. Like they would have just like, I don't know, like murdered me. Like, I don't know. They were just, I can't. It's just so embarrassing to even consider doing that. I decided to just like kind of film like a clip. First of all, the first building I toured was kind of a disaster. Building was super nice. This is already a little out of my budget, but I was like, maybe I can live a little. Maybe I can afford it. I told them I had a very specific budget. The first apartment they showed me was my dream apartment. I will insert the clip here because it had everything I was looking for. The lighting, the size, the freaking kitchen, and it was so freaking nice. It was $3,800. I can't. I was like, why would you show me this? Okay, so after she showed me that apartment, she took me to apartments in my budget, and they were so much shittier. I didn't even want to film or show you guys the other apartments because it was just such a like downgrade from like the one she showed me. Why would you show me the one that's not, it just didn't make sense. I don't know, maybe one day I will live in a unit like that, but right now it is a little above my means. I feel like so many people in LA like live above their means, and like you need to like live somewhere that's in your budget. Hello? I mean, that's just my financial advice, I guess. Also, like, technically, I could have afforded that place. You have to keep an account, like, electricity, bills, groceries, eating, surviving, breathing. You literally like pay tax to breathe in Los Angeles. So I simply just could not even comprehend spending that much on something that wasn't condo or a house or an investment property. That being said, went ahead and I toured a few other units. I moved on to the current apartment I'm in, and what I loved about this place is the concierge was really nice, and everyone that worked here seemed really upbeat and helpful and like actually cared. When I was touring, they were having like a community event and there were so many people there, and I was like, wait, I love the vibes. Every time I went into an elevator, the guy who was giving me a tour, like he knew everyone by name, everyone said hi to me, and I was like, I'm loving the vibes. And then as soon as I got into the apartment, there was like a beautiful large window. It had a great lighting. It was like an open-esque floor plan. It was like basically everything I was looking for and in my price range. So I was like, this is it. Like when you know, you know. So that being said, I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour. It will go up shortly after this vlog because I'm not gonna make you guys wait. I have not been uploading that much lately, but that is changing, ladies and gentlemen. There's about to be a lot more content from me soon. Some of the non-negotiables I was specifically looking for in an apartment was having really good lighting and natural lighting, because that is something I did not get in my old apartment. And I am going to be filming way more for you guys and really focusing on YouTube this year. That was kind of my resolution that I've had for myself lately. And I want you guys to comment down below like what kind of moving vlogs you want to see and kind of more about what kind of future videos you guys want to see or any collabs with anyone. I would love to know. So comment down below please and let me know. Some other things that I was looking for specifically was I wanted full wood floors this time. I had carpet in my bedroom last time and it was just gross. It got like decayed and old after like literally like a year and a half, and it just never looked the same. Like no matter what I did, as much as I steamed it, as much as I had people clean it, it just always looked bad. Another thing I was definitely looking for was in-unit washer and dryer. Those are really hard to come across in the city, especially in apartments. Like it is kind of rare. And also central AC. I need AC, especially because it gets really hot here and I get really like heat sensitive. It's not a good combo. It was really important for me to have like really nice management of the building and like it's well maintained. Just make sure when you're touring apartments you have your list of non-negotiables and just really stick to it because you will find the right place. I'm so happy like I got to talk to you guys more one-on-one and kind of just update you. This felt very connected to you guys. I feel like sometimes when you're posting a lot of vlogs, it's not a lot of quality FaceTime with you guys. So I kind of love this for us. I am uploading a lot of moving content, so comment down below any ideas you guys have for moving content for me or things you specifically want to see. And my empty apartment tour is going up live very shortly after this vlog, so keep an eye out for that because y'all are gonna see every nook and cranny of this place. And right now, you know, gotta keep it a little secret, gotta keep you guys tantalized. You gotta keep them wanting more. I'll see you guys in the next one, so ta-ta for now.
Thank you.